Yeah, you can see NPP 1.25. Okay, here is your piston pin. Below is the circlips. Here is your piston box. Okay, here is your rings, 125 size. Piston box is unopened. Okay, I shall open it with a blade now. Just yeah, you can see 125 or 1.25. Check the piston properly. Okay, these imported pistons do not come with compression rings. Okay, they come with 2 rings. Okay, either can go at top or bottom. There is no hard and fast rule that like in case of Indian ones. So yeah, that's it. I'll pack this up and send the tracking number.